Hey, what's up guys? It's Hero the Hero here. Today we're going to be looking at an Amazon review of Amazon renewed products. Full disclaimer, this is an acceptable condition and I believe the seller is Mac Pro-LA. I think they do have a physical store out in LA, but let's see if it is worth it. Looking at the box a little bit over here, see a lot of little damage, and if you could kind of see, it's indented, so right now not off to the best start, but let's look inside. Let's open it up. Let's see what the heck we got here.
2,000 years later.
And this thing is quite dirty. Let's put it back over here. And let's see. Alright, we got the paper, that's what it came in. Let's see what kind of accessories first. It looks like an official Mac charger, which is
They're nice.
good indeed. This is, again, a MacBook Pro, and it's the M1 Max chip. Okay, this looks like the official MagSafe charger. Looks to be in good condition. And let's see the computer. Remember guys, this was acceptable condition, so it saved me a few $100 off excellent condition. And looking at it, I don't even see any scrapes or dings. Maybe a few little scrapes right there. Underneath, it looks good. I think there might be a light scratch here. I don't even see it actually. Oh yeah, it's very, very light. I'll probably get a better picture for you guys to see that because it is so light. But other than that, I do not see anything wrong with it. So let's move all this out of the way. Well, now let's open it up and check. Starts up right away. It looks like there is some wear on the keyboard. You can see a little bit of grease.
Oh, that's greasy.
That's really greasy.
Yeah, it's greasy.
A little, just a little bit. Doesn't look bad at all. I should try cleaning it and then I'll show you what it looks like and get a better zoom in shot on that. And again, I just got my camera back from getting fixed. Everything is not set up properly, but I did want to do this video for you guys because it did come in. So excuse the lighting and the audio. But let's set this up and then I'll get a screen recording of how much battery life, well, not how much battery life, how many cycles and stuff like that, and what the specs are on this. Okay guys, now we are on the Mac itself. Let's check out the information about this Mac. It is 32 gigabytes of memory. It is Apple M1 Max. I got this about 50% off what I would have gotten refurbished from Apple itself. And this is a acceptable condition. The chassis is actually pretty great. Seems pretty new, maybe some minor flaws, but I think I might be able to buff those out or wash it per se. Let's go to more info. And let's go down and check the battery health. Let me move that. The battery health on the power, it is 141 cycles and 87%, which isn't the best, but for acceptable 2-year-old Mac, it is quite decent. For what I saved on this, I could probably buy a new battery for $160 and get it replaced by Apple themselves. The chassis is great, like I said. I did have some concerns on the graphics because some reviews were saying they were getting 24, but this is in fact a 32 core GPU, and honestly that's pretty great. For half off what you would get from Amazon or Apple renewed, Amazon acceptable is pretty decent, I would say. Another thing I want to mention, make sure you're looking at the seller that you're getting it from. You might get it from Amazon themselves, but this, like I said, came from the store Mac Pro LA. I believe they have a physical store in LA as well. They were actually really good sellers. I didn't talk to them or nothing, but considering what I got for the price, I think it is a great buy. I was a little bit skeptical, and since I wanted to share my experience, and this was my experience. So that should wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys did find this helpful, please consider giving a like, commenting, subscribing. It really does help the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. This is You're the Hero. Peace out.